The light bulb moment. Understanding Epiphanies in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard before: a light bulb moment. Stick with us as we illuminate what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Let's light up our understanding together. A light bulb moment refers to a sudden realization or the moment of clarity when an idea or the solution to a problem suddenly comes to you. Imagine a light bulb turning on over your head, just like in cartoons, symbolizing that you've just thought of something brilliant or finally understood something that was puzzling you before. This phrase is commonly used in English to describe those moments of sudden insight that seem to come out of nowhere. The concept of a light bulb moment is visually linked to cartoons and comics, where an illuminated light bulb represents a new idea or a sudden realization. The origin of this phrase taps into the universal symbol of a light bulb representing ideas and creativity, a metaphor that's understood across many cultures. This phrase captures the essence of those moments perfectly, illustrating how quickly and brightly ideas can emerge in our minds. Let's put this phrase into context with some examples. I had a light bulb moment during the meeting today, and now I know exactly how to tackle our project's biggest challenge. She was struggling with the puzzle for hours, but then she had a light bulb moment and solved it instantly. Using a light bulb moment in conversations highlights not just the suddenness of the realization but also the positive and enlightening nature of these insights. It's a great way to express the joy and excitement of discovering a solution or understanding a previously confusing concept. Understanding and using phrases like a light bulb moment can add depth and nuance to your English communication. Here's how you can use it. 1. When sharing personal insights or moments of clarity in discussions or storytelling. 2. To highlight a creative or innovative idea that occurred spontaneously. 3. In reflective writing, to describe the moment you gained a new understanding or perspective. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about expressing ideas and emotions vividly. Phrases like this one can make your language richer and more engaging. We hope this video has been a light bulb moment in your English learning journey, illuminating a fun and useful phrase that you can start using right away. English is filled with colorful expressions that make conversations more lively and interesting, and we're here to help you discover and use them with confidence. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening lessons. Keep shining bright with your language learning.